Black cake. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 391. Fat 18 grams. Carbs 56 grams. Fiber 1 gram. Sugars 42 grams. Protein 3 grams. Ingredients. 2 cups white sugar. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 cup strong brewed coffee. 1 cup buttermilk. Half a cup vegetable oil. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Combine sugar, flour, cocoa, baking soda, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Make a well in the center. Pour coffee, buttermilk, oil, eggs, and vanilla into the well. Beat for 2 minutes on medium speed. Batter will be thin. Pour into the prepared pans. Bake in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean, 30 to 40 minutes. Cool for 10 minutes. Then remove from the pans and finish cooling on a wire rack. Fill and frost as desired. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!